if you want to learn how to make a card visually change into a coin right in front of your spectator's eyes, and that too just by using sleight of hand, then this is the video you're looking for. Hey everybody, I'm Sholazari. You're watching Making Impossible. Let's start our today's video. Okay guys, this is what the trick looks like. You have a card and you can just turn it into a coin just like that. So that's the trick. Let's see how you can do it. Okay guys, this trick is very easy to do. Now if you know how to snap your fingers, then this trick is already 50% done for you, because this trick uses the snapping mechanism which hides the card and brings out the coin to the spectator's point of view, and that way you can just make it look like that the card has changed into the coin. So what happens is the card actually stays in front of the coin, which means the coin stays behind the card, and the coin is right over here. The coin stays right in this position near the edges of the card. So if you are doing the snap with your right hand, then the coin will be near the top right hand side corner of the card, and if you're going to do it with your left hand, then the coin will be near the top left hand side of the card, near the edges. So what you need to do is you need to figure out with which hand you can snap better. In that way you can do this trick with that hand better. So I'm right-handed. I'm gonna do this tutorial with my right hand. If you're left-handed, just mirror my tutorial so that it is easy for you to learn. So as you know what will be the coin's position and how the coin actually vanishes. So just by snapping, the card comes back and the coin comes in front to the spectator's point of view. You already know this. So let's go into the main handling, how you're going to get into this position, and after the change how you're going to hide the card. So at first what you're going to do is you're going to keep the coin in the other hand, with which you're not going to snap your fingers. You're not going to snap your fingers with this hand. For me it's my left hand, so I'm going to keep the coin finger palmed in my left hand, and I'm going to drop that hand by the side of my body so that it looks natural. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show this card to the spectator, and after they see this card, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this card on top of the coin which is present in this hand. The coin is right now in finger palm position, so I come over here just like that, and then as I turn my hand towards the spectator, I also drop the card at the same time on top of my hand so that it actually covers up the coin. Now as it covers up the coin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to feel the coin underneath the card, and that way I'm going to position the coin underneath the card, and then I'm going to pick the coin and the card together with my other hand, with which I'm going to snap my fingers. So right now you can't see the coin over here because I've picked the coin along with the card, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the snapping and the card will change into the coin. Now after that happens, what you're going to do is you are going to drop the coin onto this hand, and the card is in this position. After snapping, the card is in this position. You're going to leave all your fingers out and the card will be in the Tenkai position, and you are going to turn your body just like that. If you're right-handed, you're going to turn the right side of your body towards the spectator so that they can't see the card stays hidden. And then after you show the coin, while you're going to give the coin to the spectator, you are going to drop this hand by the side of your body, and as you do that you are also going to put this card inside the pocket. Okay, you're going to put this card inside your pocket, and then you can also get rid of this card. So that's how this trick is done. Now for those people who cannot snap their fingers very good or is having difficulty while hiding the card perfectly from the spectator's point of view, here is a little bit of suggestion what you need to do. So you can also do this type of move, like you cover up a little bit and then you actually do the snap so that the coin comes into the view without doing this trick without cover. So I mean, if you can do this trick very good, then you can do this without cover just like that, and if you cannot do this trick like that fluently, then you can use the other hand as a cover and you can just do the snapping, and the rest is just the same. You're going to do the Tenkai palm, you're going to drop the coin right over here, turn this side of your body, towards the spectator so that they don't know that the card is right over here. And then while you give this coin to the spectator, you also drop this hand by the side of your body and put this card in your pocket. That's how you also get rid of this card. So that's how this trick is done, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shoail Azari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Visibility Savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.